YouTube, what's going on? It's DJ Shaw, One King Legend, coming at you here. Alright, so if you watched my last video that I did with the sound system unboxing, the speakers, the cabinet, the woofers, and so forth. Alright, the Skar audio. Alright, so now I'm sitting in the Project Tahoe. I'm going to let you see and hear how this system that I put together, budget system, very cheap budget system. Alright, I'm going to let you hear how it kicks ass, alright, in the Chevy Tahoe. Alright, so they go the deck that I'm working with. The truck came with that. It's a Kenwood. Alright, nothing crazy. Has Bluetooth and all that good stuff, phone access and everything. Alright, so I'm going to let you check out my hookup. Alright, so mind you, the truck came with the wires kind of pre-ran already, the power wires and the remote and the RCA. So all I had to do was just put my amplifier and hook it up. But it wasn't that simple. The wires was there, but the remote wire was cut. So I had to find where it was cut at and rerun it, rejoin it or whatever the case may be to save on time. But anyway, I got it done and I'm going to let you see. Alright, so carpet in this truck is dirty as hell. I'm going to go ahead and get it detailed. If I get a detail and it doesn't look good, I might go ahead and rip the carpet out. Alright, but anyway, I got some decent mats. I just got these, alright, off Amazon. These are the Motor Trend. They kind of wide, so they kind of cover up all that dirty spot. But the truck was in worse condition. I mean, the dashboard looks good now. I kind of wiped it down and stuff. I don't know if you can see how shiny that is. But anyway, let me get at it, because I know y'all want to see what I have going on here. So let me get out and go in the back, alright? So I already have my SPL set up here. It's a JBL Tools SPL. Alright, so we're going to see what it's hitting, alright? So that's me talking right there, so numbers are going crazy. Alright, so I'm going to pause this, get out, and show you the amplifier and show you the box. Alright, so here we go. It's the Power acoustik. Alright. It's the RZ model. Alright. There we go right there. It's the RZ R1 2500D. So you guys don't think I switched it up. Alright, so pretty much basic hookup. Alright. And see, the truck already had this gauge wires already installed in it, so that was pretty sweet. All I had to do was just hook them up. Alright, so this wire was pretty thick for the amplifier holes, the connection port, so I had to cut the wire back a little bit to get it to fit up inside of the jack port, the connection port. Alright, so there you go. Power light is on. Alright, a little dusty there. Alright, so this is underneath the seat. Chevy Tahoe's, the seat kind of flips up, so you have access to underneath, and this is where pretty much everyone will put their amplifiers and audio equipment under here. Alright, so the box is behind the back seat. Okay, so here you go. It's the bomb, baby. Alright, so I'm using just one side because I have it all connected, in parallel. In series, dropped it down to 2 ohms, which this amp is 2 ohms stable. Alright, as I said, this truck is dirty as shit. Alright. Anyway, let me let you see the front of the box. Okay. So this is me with the lid up and looking in. Alright, I have the box facing outward. Alright. There you go. Skar audio. It's 12 inches. Alright. This Qbomb box. This thing is ruggedly painted with bed liner. Alright. It's a nice texture to it. Alright. A little dusty, but I'll get to it. Alright. Like I said, back of this truck is seriously dirty. But I think I'm gonna get one of those, I forgot what that company is called, that makes the whole bed you know, covers the whole back or whatever the case may be. All right. I don't want to give a shout out to them right now, but I'm going to cover the whole back if you guys know what I'm talking about. All right. So they have like Herculon and there's another company. All right. So let me close this down. Okay. So let me go ahead and hit play for you so you can hear what's going on. I think I got this radio already set to about 11. We'll put it at 12, alright? I don't know if you can see that with the reflection. But anyway, that's about 12. You can also check out the little bass knob that the power acoustic comes with. Right now it's off, right? It's minimum. That's as low as it goes. No bass. Alright, so here's my JBL Tools SPL reader. Alright, and right now we're hitting max is about 96, no bass on. This is just the amp just playing regularly with no added gain. Alright, so we're gonna see what we can hit on this thing, alright? As I'm playing a YouTube safe track. Let's see. Alright, we're playing a YouTube safe track there. For no copyright issues. You know, you can't play music on this site. Alright, so let's go ahead and hit that little bass knob, see what it does, alright? Let's see what we can get to vibrate in here. Alright, so let me wait for the next bass line to come in. We'll see. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna tell you when I'm gonna hit the bass. Alright, I'm gonna put the bass up probably about 2 notches because this truck will fall apart. Alright, that's how powerful this thing is. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put it on right about now. And I'll tell y'all something. That's because I've already tested it out. I already know what that amplifier is capable of. You know what I mean? It's no surprise to me what it can do. Alright, because in my car it tears ass too. Same way. Alright, it kicks ass for real. So in this truck, this thing has turned into a serious beast. Alright, because I don't think my car could handle this bass right now, because these speakers right here are way better than the ones that I already have in there in the car. So these Skar speakers, I give them a thumbs up. Alright, so there you go. I hit 102 with 2 notches of that little doohickey there. Alright, my bass gain knob or whatever the hell you want to call it. Alright, just 2 notches I did. It was about right there. Okay, 102. Alright, like I said, this is nothing crazy, expensive that you can't do yourself. This is very simple. Alright, just an amplifier, 2 speakers in the cabinet. I mean, we don't have any crazy crossovers, we don't have any audio control, we don't have any capacitors, we don't have any distribution block, we don't have 2 batteries, we don't have 3 batteries. Just a simple hookup from the radio to the amplifier to the speakers. Alright, dual voice coil, 2 ohm speakers. Alright, but if you know what you're doing and how to buy your equipment, there's no reason why you can't hit like that. Alright, so this is DJ Shaw One King Legend. I'm gonna sign out. Alright, and please, if you enjoy my videos, just like, share, and please distribute the knowledge. Alright, because without someone else knowing, I mean, you can't help the next person, the next person, the next person, as I'm helping you. Alright, so please just share and like the videos if you appreciate what I'm doing. I mean, I do a lot for you guys just to, you know, bring out, you know, info tips and, you know, just new products and whatever the case may be. So, I mean, the least thing you can do is share my videos, you know, just hit that little stupid like button, you know, just so I can be reached out to more folks like you that want to learn and don't want to spend a whole lot of money, you know what I mean? But you just can still do it. You know what I mean? You got to be in it to win it. Don't just sit back and be like, oh yeah, one day I'm going to get it. No, I'll show you products that you can get it now, all right? Just fake it till you make it. All right, DJ Show 1 King Legend. I'm out. Till the next one.